So, following the first video, I have had an entire weekend that I have spent doing nothing but cleaning the shop. That's the last 3 days, quite literally. And I've liquidated a lot of junk to put out back. I've made quite a bit of room. There's no lights back there, no plug-ins back there. This light's dead. That light comes on when it wants to. These lights come on when it wants to, or when they want to, rather. And a lot of times if I bump on this cord, yeah. So that's next on the list. Anyway, I wanted to get some shots of the car and what all was in it in detail because I didn't get that last time. So this guy sent me 2 sets of fenders, 2 hoods, radiator core support, I guess is the name of this. This is part of a seat. There's part of a seat with upholstery here. I have no idea what this is. This doesn't look like much, but it's a lot of stuff. There's a box for this somewhere. This is a fuel injection wiring harness for the entire car. Got a full body mount set because this car was, the frame was reworked and no bushings were put down. Yeah, so that's okay though. I've got quite a bit of good chrome here. There's a lot of stuff in here. I haven't even gotten a chance to take a look at it. Obviously, these will be not used, but they're in good shape for someone who may use them later, or I don't know. It depends on how much they cost to get everything re-chromed. Obviously some brake lines, some factory steering wheel sections that I will never use. What is in this? It is heavy. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so we have a brake booster, or master cylinder rather. More wiring, I guess. Okay, but is it any good? Not really. It can be re-chromed, but see, it's got some surface rust here. I think that's about it other than chrome and some window regulator or window tracks. I'm not sure the proper name for those. I don't see anything else of great value in here. Some brake lines, actually. Let me get this awful steering wheel out of here. See some headlights that I'll never use. All right, brake lines. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling some of this stuff out of here, I guess, and I'm gonna stick it in the shed in the back. Got the car completely unloaded. I think someone was trying to either just modernize or LS swap this car, and the reason I say that because this was a fuel injected wiring harness. That cross member, it's got a updated master cylinder, brake booster, all new brake lines, disc brakes are on the front, it's got all the hoses necessary. I mean, I think someone was going for a modernized swap already. There's a lot of nice parts in here that I'll be able to use. That said, there's a lot of stuff that I won't be able to use. I cleaned all the car out except for the chrome that's in the back here. All this stuff's gonna end up being put in the back storage area. Now, just a quick overview. The car seems pretty solid. Someone patched this tunnel. The only reason I can figure they done that, it looks like they raised it. The only thing I'm aware of that doesn't fit in a factory tunnel, even if a tight fit, is a 6L80. Oh, back here. I don't know if you can see. Someone has been doing a lot of scab work. I'm pretty sure someone was prepping to LS swap it between the harness, the cross member, the transmission tunnel modifications, which by the way look amazing. This wire is just sticking out everywhere. I'll have to really clean that up, and I may or may not cut that out and redo it. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Hopefully this thing gets rolling pretty quick and doesn't give us any trouble. I'm sure I'll run into some things, but we'll cross that bridge as we get there as well. I'm not an expert. I've worked on very few of these. My 57 outside is the only one that I'm somewhat fluent with, and that's still kind of rocky. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully the next time I get a video up will be probably working on the floor pans, because I got to wait on my buddy Jason. We have it set up for like 24th, 25th for him to come out and do these quarter panels. So I'm going to get some good footage of that whenever he gets here. When I'll get all this mess liquidated out of here, just like I did all the lumber. Yeah, thanks for watching.